Hey guys, it's Mark, and today I'm going to give you a look at the brand new Windows 11. It's important to note that this build of Windows 11 is a developer build, meaning it's not stable for general release and there are bugs in it. But I wanted to give you a look at some of the new features Windows 11 has to offer. So as you can almost immediately tell, this is the brand new taskbar, and let's take a look at the start menu. See, this is the brand new start menu that you'll see in Windows 11. You have a ton of apps here, but it's important to note that most of these apps aren't actually installed on your computer. They're just there in the background, and when you click on them, then they'll install. Like here, there was Microsoft Solitaire. I don't play Solitaire much, so I just decided to uninstall that, but it wasn't really installed. It was more like a shortcut. So that's kind of like the new start menu, and then you have the brand new search menu, and you can see it just. Now, I think this might be a bug because sometimes the icons load, but a lot of the times they don't. You see here the Google Chrome icon loaded, but all the other icons didn't. So this might be a bug, which is expected in these developer builds. So yeah, just I like it's a clean new style, I guess. It's nice. And then you have the task view, which is basically, you can see I have my recording software running. So let's just jump right over to widgets, which are a brand new feature. The widgets widgets were in Windows 7, but then they got rid of them. So yeah, this is a look at what the widgets will be. I hope they give us an option to be able to delete this news section, because I really don't care about the news. I mean, there are plenty of other places where I could watch the news if I want to. But yeah, that's just a look at the widgets. Just some basic stuff like weather, stocks, tips, sports news, and just all that kind of stuff. And now let's check out the File Explorer. Now, it's interesting that I noticed I've been using this developer build now for about a day, and sometimes it takes a couple seconds for the File Explorer to load, but other times it just loads right up, so I'm not sure if that's just a bug or if it's just my computer's hardware, but anyway, you can see brand new icons, which I guess are nice. It's gonna take some time to get used to some of this stuff, but you can see, let me go to a menu. You can see that there's a bunch of spacing now, which wasn't like this in previous Windows. Everything was more compressed. So if you like the more classic style, let's go into this brand new menu and click on Compact View, and see, you can tell the difference. So, if you like the old classic menu system, or if you just like it the new way with the spacing, which it's going to take some time for me to get used to. I'm not sure if I'll be able to or not, but I'm going to try it out. And let's take a look at the context menu. As you can see, there's a brand new context menu, but either I think this here, show more options, is a placeholder or a bug, because look what happens when I click on it. You get the classic context menu, which is just annoying when trying to copy and paste things. So I really think this is just a placeholder thing, but we'll see what Microsoft does in later builds of the developer build for Windows 11. Let's see. Most apps and files and programs work, like OpenOffice, VLC, Chrome. Edge, obviously Malwarebytes. They all work with the new operating system. And, yeah, just a bunch of different stuff, in this new context menu. One thing I don't like, this is a criticism, you right click on the taskbar, and there's no way to open the task manager from the taskbar. Which this is what I reported this in the feedback app that the insiders use to send their thoughts to Microsoft. So if you wanted to open up the feedback menu, what you would have to do is you have to right click on the start menu. As you can see, you just get a huge window here of context menu, and you can open the task manager from there. Which I hope they change this. I hope they give us more options for the taskbar context menu. Let's go into the settings menu now. You can see another new icon. And you can see they revamped the settings menu. It's like this on mostly everything. All new settings menu. So let's say if you liked the classic menu, everything over here to the left. You can put everything back over to the left in Windows 11. What you would have to do is go to taskbar behaviors, and you can see taskbar alignment. It's centered. If you want to click left, then you got right there. See, everything just moves over to the left. And personally, I actually kind of just like it all in the center. I didn't think I would at first, but in my opinion, it just looks a lot cleaner and nice. So I'm going to keep mine to the center, excuse me. And, one thing I want to show you is that most of the settings menus have been, revamped like this. You go in the system. Everything just has a lot more cleaner feel to it, in my opinion. Click on Windows Updates. The Insider program, you can see I'm an insider. So yeah. But if you go into the Microsoft Edge menu, click on Windows Security, and as far as I can tell, they haven't done anything in this build. They haven't changed anything in this build. This is the Windows 10 build of the Windows Defender security system. So it's going to be interesting to see if they change this or not. I think right now my overall thoughts are, since this is the first developer build of Windows 11, it's nice. It looks good. It's kind of like just though a slight user interface update, in my opinion, to Windows 10, and they're just calling it Windows 11. But like I said, this is an early developer build of the operating system. If you go into the Microsoft Store, they have redesigned it. One nice thing coming soon, probably in a future developer build, you'll be able to download Android apps, which is something I'm most looking forward to about Windows 11. So you'll be able to run Android apps from Windows, right from your computer. As you can see here, it says Microsoft Store Preview. So yeah, guys, I think that is going to do it for this video. Just some of the brief changes to the operating system. And if you like what you've seen in this video and you want to download Windows 11, what you would have to do is join the Windows Insider program, join the dev channel of the Windows Insider program, and that's how you'd have to download it. But it's important to note that in my opinion, you should only do it on like a secondary machine or a virtual machine, because this isn't supposed to be stable, and there are bugs and it shouldn't be used yet for everyday use. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to give you a look at Windows 11. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please be sure to like, comment, and if you haven't already, subscribe. And as always, guys, I'll see you next time.